boys and girls, we are going to learn another new number today. We're going to be working with the number 20 today. Before we do that, let's go over all the numbers that we've learned so far. Can you count with me? What is that? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and today we're going to be working with number 20. The number 20 is a 2, 0. Okay, whenever you see 2, 0 together, it's the number 20. Can you help me count the 20 butterflies? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So what is this number here? That is the number 20. Okay, so whenever you see a 2, 0, that's the number 20. I'm going to put that right up there. And what we're going to do is we're going to work on this paper here. All right, before I show you how we're going to do this, I'm going to show you how we make the number 20. And when we make the number 20, we start with a 2 and a 0. A 2 and a 0. That's how we make the number 20. Okay? So now on this side of the page, what we have here is we have flowers, and on some of the flowers we have numbers, and on other flowers the numbers are missing. Down on the bottom we have those missing numbers. So what we need to do is we need to count and glue the missing numbers into those flowers that don't have numbers on them. Okay, and I want to show you something. The 4 sometimes has that little triangle. Okay, we usually make it with just the straight one, but on this paper you're going to see it with that little triangle. All right, so we're going to first cut off the bottom of our paper. So we're going to take your scissors, and what I'd like you to do is just go straight across that dotted line. Okay, so start on the edge and just go all the way across your paper. Okay, all the way across like this. All right, now I'm going to put this paper here on the board and leave that there. We're going to do that in a few minutes. And right now what I want you to do is we're going to cut these. So we're going to first cut the outside lines, and then we'll do the inside to separate the rest of them. Okay? So very carefully, you want to cut on the outside, the dotted line. Very carefully, cut that off. Okay, so now you have this here. And now we're going to cut those lines to separate your numbers. Now be very careful that you don't cut your numbers apart. Okay, so let's go straight across. And now we're going to cut the other numbers to separate, the other lines to separate our numbers, and then put them on your table so that you can see all of your numbers. Okay, cut right on those dotted lines, okay? Right on the dotted line there. And we'll do the same thing with these here. Okay, cut right on the dotted lines. And you're going to separate all of your numbers right on those lines there. Okay, so now we have all of our numbers cut out. Make sure you turn them all over so you can see all your numbers because you don't want to lose any. Okay? And what we're going to do is we're going to glue the missing numbers. So in order to do that, what we need to do is we need to count as we're putting our missing numbers on. Okay, I'm going to move this a little bit closer to make it easier for you to see. Okay? All right, so let's start. We have 1. What number comes after 1 when we count? 1, what? 2. Find the number 2. Okay, now remember the number 2 has that little hook on the top and the straight part on the bottom. So you're going to take your number 2 and we're going to glue the number 2 right in here next to number 1. Okay, so we have 1, 2. What do we count now? 1, 2. What should come next? 3. Okay, take your number 3. This is your number 3. And we're going to glue number 3 right into that space there. Just put a little bit of glue in the middle, and we'll put our number 3. Okay, so let's count again. All right, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. What should come here? 5. Find number 5. All right, here's the number 5. And the number 5, remember, has that little flat part on the top, and then the round part is on the bottom. So this is your number 5. So I'll glue number 5 right in here. Okay, let's count again. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What comes next? 8. Okay, here's your number 8. All right, there's your number 8. Okay, now the skinny part is the top. The wider part is the bottom. This is your number 8. So we're going to glue number 8 right in here. Okay, you ready? Go back and count with me again. You ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What should that be? 10. Okay, here's your number 10. Remember, the 10 is a 1, 0. Take your number 10, and we're going to glue number 10 right here. A little bit of glue. And remember, it's 1, 0. You don't want it upside down, okay? It's the 1 and the 0 is the number 10. Okay, let's count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. What should this be? 13. Okay, here's the number 13. A 1, 3. That's the number 13. Put the number 13 right in here. 1, 3 is the number 13. Okay, ready to count again? All right, let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. What should come here? 16. A 16 is a 1, 6. Okay, find the number 16. Now remember, the 6 has that opening on the bottom, so you don't want to put it upside down, okay? 16. 1, 6. We're going to put the 16 right over here in this flower. All right, you ready? Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. What should we put there? 18. Remember, the 18 is this number here. 1, 8 is the number 18. Okay, so take your number 18, and we're going to glue the 18 right into this flower over there. We'll glue on our number 18. Okay, you ready to count with me again? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and our last number is 20. Number 20, 20. So I'm going to put our number 20 right here in our last flower. Okay. And there we have all of our flowers. Okay, let's count them together. Look at your numbers as we're counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, so we're working with the number 20, and here we have our 20 flowers. You can go back and you can color your flowers however you want to color them. Okay, and now let's just count our butterflies one more time. Remember, 20 is what number? 20. Let's just count this one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. What number is that? 20. Okay, so we're working with number 20. So we have all those numbers now from 0 to 20. Bye-bye, butterfly.